Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and reinstall any application on Windows 10 PC. So firstly click on Start, then click on Settings. In here click on Apps. So here you will see a list of applications which is you installed before. So if you want to install and reinstall, so click on it, and firstly you need to click on Uninstall. Click on Yes. Now to install that application, you click on any browser, then type that application, but make sure you have the right to use that application like any paid application, so you need to key for that paid version. So before uninstall, you make sure you have access to use that application. In my case, we can see TeamViewer. We uninstall this application, and this is the free version, so we can use that application as a free version. So again click on that application and allow some permissions, then click on finish. So this is friends, by this easy and simple method we can know how to uninstall and reinstall any application on Windows 10 PC. And friends, make sure you have license for any particular application which you want to uninstall and reinstall, because if you have not a license, so in later you not able to use that application. So before uninstall, you make sure you have the license or permission to use that application. That's it friends, thanks for watching.